What if there was a way to significantly boost your profits in goat farming while reducing manual labor? By integrating mechanized tools into your farm, you can do just that. From automated feeding systems to advanced milking machines, these tools are designed to streamline daily tasks, improve efficiency, and enhance productivity. In this video, we'll explore the top mechanized tools every goat farmer should consider. Get ready to discover how investing in technology can take your goat farming business to the next level. Let's get started. The importance of mechanization in goat farming. Mechanization in goat farming refers to the use of machinery and automated systems to handle essential tasks that would otherwise require manual labor. This approach brings numerous benefits, especially as farms grow in size. With mechanized tools, farmers can handle repetitive tasks like feeding, milking, and waste management with greater speed and accuracy, reducing the need for human intervention. In addition to saving time, mechanization boosts productivity and ensures consistency in processes. By embracing technology, goat farmers can reduce labor costs, improve herd management, and optimize farm operations. The result is a more efficient, profitable, and sustainable farming business capable of meeting increasing demands in the agriculture industry. Automated feeding systems. Automated feeding systems are designed to streamline the feeding process in goat farming. These systems ensure each goat receives the correct amount of feed at the right time, reducing feed waste and ensuring a balanced diet. Automated feeders typically use sensors or timers to distribute measured portions, which can be adjusted according to the goat's age, weight, and production stage. This technology eliminates the need for manual feeding, saving valuable time and labor. Moreover, automated systems can prevent overfeeding or underfeeding, which can lead to health problems or reduced productivity. By improving feeding efficiency and accuracy, automated feeding systems help farmers maintain healthier goats and increase overall farm profitability. Milking machines. Milking machines are a game changer for dairy goat farmers, greatly enhancing the milking process. These machines are designed to extract milk efficiently and hygienically from multiple goats simultaneously, reducing the need for manual labor. By using gentle suction, milking machines mimic the natural milking process while ensuring the milk is collected quickly and without contamination. This increases milking efficiency and minimizes the risk of injury or stress to the goats. With milking machines, farmers can milk more goats in less time, boosting milk production and consistency. The improved hygiene standards also result in higher quality milk, which can lead to better market prices. Additionally, these machines reduce the physical strain on farmers, allowing them to focus on other essential tasks, contributing to higher overall productivity and profitability. Health monitoring devices. Maintaining the health of your goats is crucial for a thriving farm, but it can be challenging to monitor the well-being of each individual animal, especially in large herds. Health monitoring devices, such as wearable sensors and smart collars, make it easier for farmers to track vital signs like temperature, heart rate, and activity levels. These devices alert farmers to early signs of illness or stress, enabling prompt treatment and reducing the spread of disease. By using these tools, farmers can prevent costly veterinary bills, improve herd health, and avoid unnecessary losses. Investing in health monitoring technology ensures that each goat stays in optimal condition, leading to higher productivity and profit. Automated watering systems. Automated watering systems are an essential investment for goat farmers, ensuring a consistent and reliable water supply without the need for constant manual refilling. These systems typically feature automatic shut-off valves, water level sensors, and easy-to-use drinkers that provide clean, fresh water to the goats at all times. By automating the watering process, farmers can eliminate the risks of under- or overwatering, reducing waste, and ensuring the goats remain properly hydrated. Additionally, these systems often come with self-cleaning mechanisms, ensuring the water stays uncontaminated and reducing the time spent on maintenance. With automated watering, farmers save valuable time and labor while maintaining a healthier, more productive herd. Proper hydration directly supports milk production, growth rates, and overall well-being, contributing to increased farm efficiency and profitability. Climate control systems. Climate control systems are essential for maintaining optimal conditions in goat shelters, as goats are sensitive to extreme temperatures. These systems regulate temperature, humidity, and ventilation to ensure a comfortable environment for the animals, regardless of the weather outside. With automated features like fans, heaters, and humidifiers, the climate control system adjusts according to environmental changes, preventing overheating in summer or freezing in winter. By providing a stable, comfortable climate, these systems reduce stress, improve goat health, and enhance productivity, including better milk production and weight gain. Climate control also helps reduce the risk of diseases caused by temperature fluctuations, ensuring a healthier herd and ultimately boosting overall farm efficiency and profitability. Manure management equipment. Proper manure management is essential for maintaining cleanliness and sustainability on a goat farm. Mechanized manure management tools, such as manure spreaders and composters, help farmers efficiently handle goat waste and turn it into valuable resources. These machines can quickly collect, transport, and spread manure across the farm or process it into compost for use as organic fertilizer. Not only does this reduce the labor required for manure disposal, but it also eliminates the need for chemical fertilizers, which can be costly and harmful to the environment. By using manure management equipment, farmers can maintain a cleaner farm, reduce environmental impact, and even generate extra income through the sale of organic fertilizer. Fencing and herding technologies. Keeping goats secure and managing their movements is a critical task in farming, especially when dealing with large herds. Electric fencing is a popular tool for containing goats and protecting them from predators. These systems use a mild electric shock to deter goats from attempting to escape, ensuring they stay within designated areas. In addition to fencing, modern herding technologies, such as GPS trackers and drones, are being used to monitor and guide goat movements. GPS collars can track individual goats, while drones can herd goats or monitor pasture usage. These tools make herding more efficient, reduce the need for manual labor, and improve pasture management, ultimately leading to a more controlled and profitable operation. Data management software. Data management software plays a crucial role in modern goat farming by organizing and streamlining vital information. With this software, farmers can easily track essential data such as herd health records, breeding schedules, milk production levels, and financial transactions all in one place. This centralized system eliminates the need for paper-based records and minimizes the chances of errors or lost information. Many data management platforms also offer analytical tools that provide insights into farm performance, helping farmers make informed decisions to improve efficiency and productivity. By using data management software, goat farmers can optimize their operations, plan more effectively, and increase profitability by ensuring that all aspects of their farm are well organized and data-driven. Investment considerations. While mechanized tools can offer tremendous advantages, the initial cost of implementing such equipment can be a concern for many farmers. It's important to carefully consider the return on investment, ROI, before making purchases. Farmers should evaluate their specific needs, the scale of their operations, and the potential long-term savings or income generated by increased productivity. For example, while automated systems may require a larger upfront investment, they can save significant amounts of time and reduce labor costs in the long run. Additionally, by improving herd health, milking efficiency, and overall farm management, mechanized tools can contribute to higher profits. A well-planned investment in technology is essential for maximizing the benefits while managing costs effectively. Embracing mechanized tools in goat farming is a game changer. By automating feeding, milking, health monitoring, and waste management, you save time, reduce labor costs, and increase productivity, leading to higher profits. Investing in the right equipment ensures a healthier herd and a more efficient farm. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on maximizing your farming success. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep innovating, keep growing, and happy farming.